What is a trading plan and how to create one? The foundation of profitable trading. Today we are diving into something that can completely transform the way you approach the markets, your trading plan. What is it, why it's so important, and how you can actually build one that works. Whether you are just starting out or you've been trading for a while, this video will help you bring more structure, clarity and discipline into your trading process. Let's start with the basics. A trading plan is your personal rule book for the market. It's a clear set of guidelines that tells you when you enter the trade, when you exit the trade, and what to do in the tough and uncertain situations. It's your roadmap for before, during and after every trade. With a solid plan, you remove emotions from your decisions and operate based on structure, not market gut feeling. Why you need a plan? Let's be honest, most people don't fail in trading because they lack a strategy. They fail because they lack discipline. Your trading plan is your map, compass and seatbelt all in one. It saves you money, it saves you stress, and most importantly, it gives you consistency, which is everything in trading. Key elements of trading plan. Let's break it down. Here are the 6 key elements your trading plan should include. Style and time frame. Are you day trading or swing trading? Are you using M5 or maybe H1? Know where you operate. Entry strategy. What specifically needs to happen for you to take a trade? Exit rules. Where is your take profit and stop loss? Define it before you open the trade. Risk management. How much do you risk per trade? Try to track your risk to reward ratios. Emotional management. What do you do after loss, after losing streak? Journaling and review. Do you document your trades? Are you learning from them? Each of these points should be written clearly and specifically, no vague rules. So, how do you put it all together? The best way is to sit down and answer those 6 questions one by one. Write them down on the paper or in the doc. This is your personal framework. It doesn't have to be perfect. A trading plan is a living document that evolves with you. Remember, a plan isn't just theory. It's a tool that can save you capital and accelerate your growth as a trader. You don't need to be the best trader on the planet. You just need to be disciplined and stick to your plan. That's what makes difference between traders who succeed and those who fade out. If this video was helpful, hit subscribe button for more real, no bullshit trading content.